Hi everyone, welcome to Embellishments on the 11th, where each month a small group of us, get together and make embellishments of any kind that we want. So I'm working on a project for another collaboration, and it is a Halloween one. But I pulled out this Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper. It's retired. I don't remember what year this was, but I'm positive it had matching dies to cut some of these things out, like these witch hats and also the witches, some of the witches, but I don't have that set anymore. So I wish I did. Honestly, I wish I hadn't sold it or whatever I did with it. Anyway, I did some fussy cutting. So I fussy cut some witches, which I don't have any more left. I fussy cut some pumpkins, which I used some of. I fussy cut some witches hats, which I used quite a few of. And even when you're fussy cutting them for embellishments, use the pieces that are along the edge, because you can put them on the edge of your embellishments. And also I fussy cut some of the witches pots. And then I did use, I think only one of these trims from, I'm gonna say Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. And I used a couple of these retired stars. I used Which Way to the Candy and just this circle here. I used this on a couple. I thought there was some black velvet. Oh yeah, this one on one, and I think the purple on one. I used more of my little spiders. I don't remember where they were from, probably Dollar Tree. And I used a few of these stickers, just some stars, the black cat, and some sentiment strips. And so with that, I'll show you my little embellishments. Now, like I said, I'm working on a larger project. Well, I'm getting ready to get working on it again. Anyway, so I'm hoping that these can go in there. So this is the first one. Oh, I also used from Oriental Trading. It was a clearance item, and I discovered why. Some of this, it's a thinner glitter paper pack. It's nice that the glitter doesn't rub off. However, some of it has defects. Like, for example, this one has, like, I don't know, silvery stuff showing through, like a stripe on it. And I think I showed you before that it's sort of plasticky on the back. It's not, maybe it is like a thin plastic finish. Anyway, I had a lot of trouble with die cutting with it, and that was from a previous project. I guess you've seen that already. I think so. But it has purple, black, orange, and then sort of a, there's a green in here too somewhere. But the green is kind of a weird green. It's more of a Christmas green to me than a Halloween green. Anyway, I used some of the black and purple and maybe orange. I can't remember. So this is the first one. I used scraps of that same paper. I think the cats are on the back of, not that you need to know, but the cats are on the back of the witches. So I had a strip that had like partial witches. So I cut it and used it for the background paper on this one and one or two others. This was one of the spider webs off that Dollar Tree pack, I think. And I just layered the witch's pot, one of the pumpkins, and the witch, which was a side cut witch also. Put some of that trim I showed you, which actually was from, I missed Tuesday morning, I think. This I got it Tuesday morning in 2017, it looks like. It's Doodlebug bouquet trims for Halloween. So cute, right? I could have made a whole bunch more, but I just didn't have time. And this is one of the stickers from that larger pack from, oh gosh, from who? American Crafts. Beautiful Night. I think I have paper to go with that actually. But I fussy cut around it and just made it into a shape. So that's embellishment number 1. And then the second one is where I used the Stamp and Die Which Way to the Candy, and we have our little witch, which was a partial both top and side. So was the pumpkin. The hat was full, and then this star, and the black one behind here were out of this pack. But then I found those Stampin' Up! Retired stars, and I put sort of that iridescent purple on top. I'm not sure that's going to stick. And a couple little of the black ones around, and a little purple one here, which actually matched the purple in the candy that I put here from the Beautiful Nights. So and that's on foil paper with another scrap of paper that had the stars on it. So I thought I'd use the hat with the stars too. And I thought that was cute. And then this one, the background is the purple glitter paper. And I had a strip of the witch pots are on a piece of paper that has a strip of like a stripe, and then also some I don't think I used the other one. So oh yeah, I don't think I used the other one, but it had like orange dots on it, and I didn't use that. And also on the back of one of them was these little frogs all over the paper. So this is a sheet of the witch hats, and there's frogs all over. So I had a tiny little piece that had a full frog on it, so I kind of fussy cut that out, and I felt like I had it jumping, trying to get away from being put in the witch's pot, right? That was my story. And then Scary Witches is off the American Crafts. This is off that roll of ribbon, which I had to put down with tear and tape, but you can kind of see the tear and tape behind it because stuff doesn't really stick good to this, and I had to use Stampin' Up! Seal Plus for the paper, and actually I put some on the back of these stickers because they weren't sticking to it. Glue dot for this. I bumped up the pot with black Stampin' Up! Black dimensionals, but I only am down to the minis, so I had to use minis. And then this I put on with tear and tape also, and her with Seal Plus. So we have 2 more. I only made 5, and this is the next one. So these 2 are a little bit bigger, and this one I had a scrap of the cat paper, just a little square. I put this little witch down. This one was more orangey themed, orange and green, and the hat, oh, a pumpkin, which was I think a full pumpkin because the stem is under the hat actually. One pot with the green, the hat with the green, a little scrap of green dotted paper, and I put the sticker on that. And then actually just like the frog, I had one little witch broom on one of the papers, so I fussy cut it and just used it as a little embellishment there. A little spider up here, some of that trim, and that is it on that one. And the last one, witches brooms on cat. This is cat paper with the partial witches on the back. A striped paper again, just like this one here. The word Eek from the sticker sheet, the black cat from the sticker sheet. This gingham ribbon, which is current by Stampin' Up! I love this stuff. I actually have an unopened roll too that I bought before I left being a demonstrator. Black star from the same sticker sheet, and then the spider from those Dollar Trees, and the hat is bumped up also on dimensionals, the black dimensionals. So those are my embellishments for this month, which like I said, are going to be part of a larger project I'm working on it's for the Spooky Sparkles collab. And I had something else I was going to do this month, and I ran out of time, so I have to, I don't know if I'll be able to do it next month either, because I have a craft fair coming up on November 5th, and I really need to work on the jewelry end of things. So I'm doing what I can on the paper side, but I'm trying to be true to most of my collabs here. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. Please do go check everyone else out. There's only one person I know of that's not participating this month, and that's Nikki. I can't remember her channel name off the top of my head. But anyway, it's Nikki. I'll put a comment in the description next to her channel name below. She notified me last night that she's not going to be able to have anything up for today. So hopefully we'll see her again next month. And I hope all is well, Nikki. So anyway, yeah, come back and see us next month on the 11th. But before you do that, check everyone else out today. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.